Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
What's going on here?
Nothing special.
Do you like me?
Yes, I like you.
What do you do?
I am a doctor.
What are you doing?
I am reading books.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old
Why are you laughing?
because I am happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
When will you go?
I will go by Monday.
Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Where do you live?
I live in Andhra Pradesh
Why are you crying?
because I am upset.
Are you there?
Yes, I am.
Whose bag is this?
This is Sunny's bag.
Won't you go?
No, I won't go.
Won't you come?
No, I won't come.